How to save food when the power falls out. In case you need to remove your food from the refrigerator to keep it cold, have a cooler and frozen gel packs on standby. If you think the power will be out for a long time, get dry ice or block ice to maintain the temperature of your food in the refrigerator. According to the U.S. Food and Drug Administration, you should store all of your frozen food together to ensure food safety during a power outage. To help keep food frozen for as long as possible, keep it grouped together in the lowest part of your freezer because heat rises. The FDA also advises moving part of your refrigerated food to your freezer if there is a chance of a power loss in order to maintain it at a safe temperature for a longer amount of time. During a power outage, you can securely move items like milk, meats, and leftovers that you don't need right away to the freezer. Keep your refrigerator and freezer doors closed after placing goods in the freezer and organizing food. According to the Food and Drug Administration, a refrigerator can maintain its temperature for up to 4 hours, whereas a freezer can maintain its temperature for 48 hours when fully stocked and 24 hours when only halfway full. Without power, chilled food lasts for roughly 4 hours. Food begins to warm up and produce bacteria after 4 hours, which can make you sick if you consume it. Half-full freezers keep food cold for up to a day, whereas full freezers may maintain the cold for up to 48 hours. After 4 hours, move your chilled food to a cooler. After that, add dry or block ice to the cooler to prevent food spoilage. If you have room left in the freezer, move it to the freezer.